What is up, parties? Today I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day. So I'm going to start off with breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm having some eggs. I love eggs, okay? I love scrambled eggs. I love omelet. I love boiled eggs. I love angel eggs. I just absolutely love eggs. So today I'm having some eggs. I don't think you could call this scrambled eggs because technically that's not how you scramble eggs, but it's my version of scrambled eggs, okay? And then I'm going to be having my scrambled eggs with some toast. I'm also going to be having some cucumbers and a bowl of fruits with some berries, some strawberries, some raspberries, some blueberries. And that's my breakfast. So for snack, I found these cookies and I'm so in love with them. These are some macadamia cookies. Sometimes I put them in a toaster oven, get them really hot and crispy. Oh my gosh, it is so good. It is so good. And for lunch, we having something simple, okay? Something that doesn't require me to do too much. So these are just the frozen meatballs. And like if you have kids and you trying to do something quick, like this is my quick recipe. So this is like meatballs with a sauce, some frozen vegetables and some rice, and we good to go, okay? That's a meal. We are done. And then for dessert, I'm trying to be healthy here. I have a banana. Okay, so for dinner, like I told you guys, I love dinner to be like something special, okay? Something fancy, something like, ooh, that is so good. Something that you want to come home to, you know? So today we're having pork tenderloin. And this is my first time cooking pork tenderloin, to tell y'all the honest truth. But I be seeing it in a store and I'm like, I have to try and make this. It looks so good. So this one is herb and garlic roasted. I went ahead and added my own seasoning to give it like that blackened look. So pretty much what you do is you sear it on all sides, and then you're going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for 13 to 15, bake it for 13 to 15 minutes, or when the internal temperature is 160. So that's pretty much what I did. And as you can see, it is looking good. And listen, this thing tastes so good, right? I was like, oh, shut the front door. Why did I not buy this sooner? Oh my gosh, it's so good. It is so good. It is so good. So if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. So I'm making, my side is going to be like Spanish rice. So I have my tomatoes in there, my onions, my bell peppers, and my stuff, and my seasoning, my Spanish rice seasoning. I'm just cooking that up. It looks good. It's ready to go. And then I'm also doing some cabbage because I love cabbage. So I like to wash my cabbage off with some lemon juice just to cut like the stink cabbage scent. So I like to wash it off with some lemon juice, and then I go ahead and I season it up with some salt and pepper, some garlic, and some olive oil, and I'm just mixing it around. As you can see, I don't like to get my hands messy, so I like to wear gloves. And while that's cooking, I had the tenderloin bacon and it's pretty much done. So I had it sitting for 10 minutes before I cut into it, and I'm just cutting into it, okay? And it was moist, it was juicy, it was sweet, it was, oh my gosh, my mouth is watering just watching it again. This is an alternative, like if you don't want to have like a heavy dinner and you just want like a light dinner. An alternative is usually like a sandwich. So sometimes for dinner, I just do like a little sandwich for me or the kids, you know, something light, lots of lettuce inside it. This is honey roasted turkey with cheese, cucumbers, and some lettuce, and I usually drink a nice tall glass of milk. And of course throughout the day I'm drinking water because I'm nursing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.